don't know why I do it, but I'm gonna use it. I got about 3 minutes of sunlight, and that's really I gotta go to I gotta go to a store, a special store that's around this area. Just a quick thumbs up. Doesn't cost much, you know. Follow me on IG too. Yeah, he's right, and it actually doesn't cost much. So just go ahead and get the thumbs up out the way or the like out the way right now. Peace and love, guys. We're here with part 2 of the series, and I call it a little series because I have 2 pairs of these. These are the white dark powder blue Jordan 1 UNCs, and I did a video about a week ago about these. I got the second pair on the live, and it just confuses me when I get like double ups and stuff like that, but it happens. And being that the shoe is so beautiful, it really doesn't matter. So let's just jump right into it. And I'll be bringing out the one that I reviewed on a few videos ago. I can tell you right now, the only thing that I noticed is the shape of the swooshes. It's just a little different. Like, these ones aren't so curled. Toe box looks amazing. And by the way, they were gifted by these lovely people. And like I said, the only thing I could really notice, I thought it was the same exact batch. On the live, I was saying that this is the same batch. I just got 2 pairs. I was absolutely wrong. And even in the black light, there were some things that showed up on this sneaker that did not show up on the other one. So to the left, we have the pair that I will just call other. This pair is the pair that I ended up keeping out of both of them. And I just felt like, well, this is not the other pair at the moment. You see, it's not laced up. Jumpman's, this was the make or breaker for me. See how the others just seems like a little bit more detailed? I went with that one. And the swooshes look more like this Finish Line pair if you look at retail pictures. And I looked at a lot of videos to see if it was more curled up like this one. And it's actually not. It's more like the one in my right hand. But I chose the one in the bottom to keep personally. So, you know, to each his own. The backs pretty much look exactly the same. One seemed a little bit higher. The one on the bottom is the other. Toe boxes. And again, these are so close. I think the color of the leather might be a shade or 2 different. Maybe not. But I think they are 2 different blues. I don't know how this happens. I don't know how you get like 2 blues that are just slightly different. And then again, they might not be different. That just could be me looking for something. I don't know. Those blues look a little different for me. But on the black light, there were things to show. Okay, you can see there's some light markings here. I've never seen markings that look like this. Like, it's slightly on there. It's not as deep. There goes a big old fat stamp. That thing says 05. Here's the other shoe. There wasn't a stamp on the other shoe, but it had the same identical types of markings there. Those shouldn't be that hard to get off. You got to be careful, but I believe they can get off. But yeah, they're dope. Yo, what's good, guys? What's good, guys? Peace and love. Made it downtown real quick. I gotta knock 2 out. I gotta get these Jordan 11s out, and I gotta get these second pair of Columbias. And man, that was a mix-up. I didn't know I was gonna get 2 pairs. It's fall out here. It's a beautiful fall. I'm gonna try to get the drone up real quick. And yeah. I'm on time today, so I'm gonna try to get a couple videos out. Next week is my birthday week, so I probably won't be dropping any videos that week. Kind of want to just take a break from all that, to be honest. Tomorrow is the BES, and by the time you see this video, the BES will already be done for, and it should be dope. It's always dope, but it's just beautiful out here, man. I had to get out here. I feel like I'm gonna miss one of the best days of fall. Sheesh. But here I am though. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it real quick. Damn. done. I think I'm done. And this is good for me considering the on footing I've been doing, like in my backyard and all that. And man, it just looks beautiful out here. Look at this. Look at this. Probably walk back to the car, go put those 11s on real quick, find another spot, take some more pictures, get up out of here. Probably no bingo burger today. I guess that's it for this video, guys. I'm gonna go walk around, take some pictures, but that drone is getting up. It's getting up.